Hello everyone, and let us dive into the sleek Motorola Moto E14 smartphone today. This device features a vibrant 6.56-inch display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. It runs on Android 14, Go Edition, powered by an efficient octa-core Unisoc processor for daily tasks. You get 64 GB of storage and 2 GB of RAM for your favorite essential applications. The 13-megapixel main camera and 5-megapixel selfie lens capture clear photos for your social media. A massive 5,000 mAh battery ensures that your phone stays powered throughout your entire day. This factory-unlocked GSM model works perfectly on most international networks for reliable mobile connectivity everywhere. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.